So today we're going to look at different animals. We're going to talk first about animals that are the same. So cat, dog, and we're going to go to the hamster. So cute. So out of those three animals, what is the same? All three animals have fur. They all have 4 legs, and they can all live in your house. And they all have cute little noses, don't they? And 2 little ears. So now we're going to look at different. So dog, bird, a snake, which some people do have snakes as pets inside their houses, and then a kitty cat. So we're going to look at our next frame. How are they different? Well, they're different because the bird has feathers, the snake has scales, the doggy is a canine, the hamster is really little, isn't he? And then the cat is a feline, and the snake is an amphibian.